we understand where we've lost our competitive edge as a country is that once we were the innovators of the world. We were the creators, we were the innovators. When I first became governor, you have this theme from the chair of the National Governors Association. The theme from our chair at the time, Governor Janet Napolitano, was Innovation America, the necessity to explore and promote and really do all we can to maximize the creative instincts of kids who are in our schools at whatever level. Every conversation we had when we had our Innovation America curriculum with Governor Napolitano back in 2007, every conversation came back to our education system. Now, creativity isn't just about the arts, but a big part of it is about the arts. You can't, I think, talk about creativity without talking about what a tremendous influence the arts and arts education can be in the world of educating kids to sort of fulfill their best creative instincts. And if you think about the architects of the world, they're themselves artists, right? They're creative creators. And the same is true, really in some respects, about engineers. If you walk through the laboratories at the College School of Mines and the National Renewable Energy Laboratories, you're talking to some of the best innovators in the world. And you need to understand, those people didn't get there by just studying math in 3rd grade and science in 5th grade. There were people who helped them explore their creative potential, and they got to a place where they understood that potential existed, and now they're trying to do what they can to maximize it. And that's why this relationship back, from the arts to patents, there is this tie. And we have to make that tie back to the business communities of America, because at the end of the day, we're not going to have a housing boom to take us out of this downturn. Our coming out of the downturn will rely on our ability to create, to innovate, our ability to manufacture as well, but our core values, the thing that we are best at as a country, is inventing things for use in the rest of the world, many of those things that we hope lift the human spirit.